Is email marketing dead? What are the reasons? What are other forms of marketing? Don't worry, Crel is here to answer these. But first, please like and subscribe to my channel. Some people may say that email marketing is dead because they feel that email is no longer as effective as other forms of digital marketing, such as social media marketing. Email campaigns may also be perceived as being too costly and time-consuming to manage. Additionally, email inboxes are becoming increasingly crowded, making it difficult for marketers to get their messages seen by their target audience. In spite of the rising popularity of social media, people still love to receive emails in their inboxes. Email is an integral part of most people's lives. There are more than 5.5 billion email accounts in use worldwide, with that number increasing every year. Moreover, more than half of those email users spend anywhere from 10 to 60 minutes each week browsing marketing emails. Email is especially important in business, with the average employee spending 13 working hours each week with their email inbox. So email marketing isn't dead. Thanks for watching.